Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install the LinkedIn app on your phone. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. First of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. Now this is the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And on this search bar, simply type LinkedIn. And then press search. So this is the app we're looking for, the one at the top. Now you'll simply have to tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Talking about LinkedIn, it is a social networking site and it is especially designed for business purpose. You can create and foster networks with professionals that you trust on this app. It is really convenient to use as well. So the app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds. And the app has been installed. Now you'll simply have to tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app and you can start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.